Hi everyone, this is Aspire Automobile. Rolls-Royce has finally pulled up curtain from the second generation Ghost 2021. This newborn member of the Ghost family has been introduced in front of the world after 11 years of the debut of its predecessor, the most successful Rolls till now, the first generation Ghost. We all know that Rolls-Royce operate in a very sophisticated marketplace. A major subset of customers of Rolls are entrepreneurs, founders, actors, and successful business leaders. They were seeking a simpler Rolls-Royce which they could use for both professional and personal purposes. Keeping their necessity in mind, Rolls engineers rolled out the first Ghost in 2009. Though being the most successful car Rolls ever created in modern era, this group of customers still expressed their desire for something even more refined and less pretentious. Thus, the feedback played a major role. Minimalistic design is a key feature of the new Ghost. It's simple and distilled, yet it is a true Rolls-Royce in every aspect possible. Unnecessary design embellishments were removed during design phase, including interiors and exteriors. Now, let's discuss about its dimensions. The new Ghost has a total length of 5546 mm, width of 1978 mm, and a height of 1571 mm. The wheelbase is of 3295 mm. An 89 mm increase in total length than the previous model has allowed pushing the front suspension mounting assemblies all the way forward and an increased boot space of 507 liters. As for technical specs, new Ghost is based on aluminium space frame architecture used in its bigger sibling, the Phantom. The engine is also new. Instead of the previous 6.6 liter V12, Ghost will now use Phantom 6.75 liter twin-turbo V12 engine. All-wheel drive will also be provided in the new car. The previous version used rear-wheel drive. Highest speed of the next generation Ghost is 250 km per hour. It can easily reach 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.8 seconds. Rear-wheel steering system will also be provided to decrease turning circle radius. In case of suspension, Rolls-Royce uses the flag bearer system which preemptively adjusts the suspension at speeds up to 100 km per hour along with, claimed by Rolls, world's fast upper wishbone damper for front suspension. Together with this, the car will provide the most comfortable experience on road. List of changes in interiors is also quite astonishing. Rolls-Royce have introduced first, power assisted door opening system, second, extensive soundproofing materials all over the Ghost so that passengers can only hear a single tone whisper from inside the car, third, a micro environmental purification system for the climate control. Another addition is the illuminated dashboard which suits perfectly with Rolls' quite mythical starlight headliner. Other notable additions are head-up display, nighttime warning system, alternate assistance, auto park, rear seat infotainment system and 1300 watt bespoke audio system. Another aesthetic feature added is the new laser headlight with C-shaped daytime running lights having a 600 meter illumination range. The expected price of the new Ghost in India is 6 crore 95 lakh rupees. Deliveries is expected to begin next year. That is it for today. Hope you have liked this video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Aspire Automobile. Also, if you have liked this video, please do share it. Goodbye. See you again.